Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Udemy how to remove a course. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. On Udemy, you can permanently delete a course once it's published, but you can unpublish it and archive it or delete a draft. To do it, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar, simply type in Udemy instructor account. Then once you do that, all you gotta do is simply log into your instructor account and then go to the instructor dashboard. Then simply click the three dots icon next to your course. Then once there, you'll find an option that says delete. Simply tap on it, and then once you are prompted to tap on confirm, simply tap on confirm, and once you do that, all content is permanently lost. You can also unpublish a published course as well. You can't delete a published course, but you can make it invisible to new students by simply heading over to the course management area, then selecting settings and selecting course landing page. Then once done, scroll down and click on publish course, then confirm the action. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.